In 2011, Boeing faced a challenge. Its European rival, Airbus, had launched the fuel-efficient A320neo, a plane that promised airlines massive savings. To compete, Boeing needed a solution, and fast. Instead of designing a brand new aircraft, they chose to upgrade their trusted 737, the most widely flown passenger jet in the world. The result was the Boeing 737 MAX. It offered better fuel efficiency, modern engines, and improved range. It was hailed as the future of air travel. Airlines rushed to place orders. Billions of dollars poured in. But beneath the surface, something was wrong.
On October 29, 2018, Lion Air Flight 610 took off from Jakarta, Indonesia. Just 13 minutes later, it crashed into the Java Sea, killing all 189 people on board. 4 months later, on March 10, 2019, Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 took off from Addis Ababa. 6 minutes into the flight, it too plunged to the earth, killing all 157 passengers and crew. 2 crashes. 2 new planes. 2 horrifyingly similar events. As investigators began their work, the same name kept surfacing: MCAS.
To fit larger, fuel-efficient engines onto the 737's aging airframe, Boeing had to reposition the engines forward and higher. This altered the plane's aerodynamics, increasing the risk of the nose pitching too high. To fix this, Boeing introduced the Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System, or MCAS, software that would automatically push the nose down if sensors detected a steep climb. But there was a fatal flaw. If a single sensor malfunctioned, MCAS could be triggered, and push the nose down repeatedly, even when the plane wasn't in danger. Pilots were not told about MCAS in training manuals. In both crashes, crews fought desperately to regain control, but the system overpowered them. The world was horrified.
As suspicions turned into confirmation, trust in the 737 MAX evaporated. On March 13, 2019, after mounting pressure, the United States grounded all 737 MAX aircraft, following dozens of other countries that had already done so. It was the first time since 1979 that an entire fleet had been grounded across the globe. Airlines scrambled to rearrange schedules. Passengers demanded answers. Boeing faced its biggest crisis in decades. The 737 MAX had gone from a modern marvel to a global symbol of corporate failure.
Investigations uncovered troubling facts. Internal emails showed Boeing employees mocking regulators. Engineers raised concerns that were ignored. The FAA had delegated much of the certification process to Boeing itself. Profits were prioritized. Corners were cut. The cost? 346 lives. A shattered reputation. Billions in lost revenue. Production halted. The CEO forced to resign. Boeing promised to fix the MCAS software and improve transparency. But trust, once broken, would not be easy to rebuild.
After 20 months on the ground, the 737 MAX was finally cleared to fly again in late 2020 after extensive recertification, pilot training changes, and software fixes. Today, the aircraft is back in service. Thousands of passengers board it every day. Many don't even know they're flying on a 737 MAX. But the story of the grounding is far from forgotten.
The Boeing 737 MAX crisis was not just a story of software. It was a story of silence, of overlooked warnings, and of decisions made in boardrooms that echoed in cockpits. It serves as a stark reminder: when safety is sacrificed for speed and profit, the consequences are deadly. The skies are safer now, but only because of the lives that were lost. And for those who remember Lion Air 610 and Ethiopian 302, the sound of a jet engine will never mean the same again.